I'm doing the Blowdown transect today, and it's about 4:45 right now, and things are just starting to get late. The Blowdown is an area in the forest that got hit with really high winds, I think in like 2011. So took a bunch of trees down, and there's a huge open spot that is just covered in tree trunks and is absolutely miserable to walk through, but it attracts a lot of interesting birds. So that's my job today. I just found a little open marshy area that is a really nice change from the dense brush that I was going through. And of course, I have to cross this little river. But yeah, it's been quite the experience so far. I've been climbing through bushes and stuff, and I'm not even in the Blowdown yet. But after the Blowdown, things get a lot more open and easier to walk through, so I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully I'll make it to my point on time, we'll see. I haven't been going very fast, so that's sort of unlikely. I made it to my first point. It's 5:47, so I'm only like 17 minutes late. I can do math, I swear. Oh my god, mosquitoes are so bad. I have bites all over my hands already, and they're coming for me. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this short, but there is like no wind. It's absolutely still, and it hasn't started raining yet, which is good. But it feels like rain is coming, or at least is nearby. So I'm hoping we can do this and get it over with, and finally get some transects done. You can see out here, it's really open. So it's quite the place. Luckily, since we're only doing half the points in the valley this year, we don't have to do the point that's smack in the middle of the Blowdown. But there is one point on the edge that I'll have to go into, and I'll probably be climbing around a little bit. So I'm gonna try to get some footage of that. I have no idea where my point is. Damn it. Ow. No, my GPS died. I passed it. Back up through the Blowdown. Made it! Oh, this could have been much worse. I'm at my Blowdown point, and it really wasn't that bad to get to, so that's good. There are a ton of fabulous birds here. including white-throated sparrows, Canada warblers, black and white warblers. There's a winter wren. What else? Blackburnian warblers. I'm hoping for a common yellowthroat, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, good stuff. I think it's worth the climb. So these guys are white-throated sparrows. They are very common in the Blowdown because it's very open. I am probably disturbing their nest by, well, I'm disturbing them by being nearby their nest. But it's always a treat to see birds up close. I'm going to leave them alone now, but this has been cool. Canada's in the tree behind him, I think. Black and white warblers seem to be a lot more willing to come out of the brush, while Canada's will stay back a little bit. So it's really hard to see them, but you can certainly hear them. So it's 9:17. I'm finally out of the forest. All in all, a good day. Except for the flies. Saw some cool wildlife coming back. I saw a wood frog in a little stream. Oh, and actually this morning I saw a flying squirrel, so that's cool. Yeah. Ow. God. Flies.